What is going on, YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today I'm going to be talking about another up-and-coming drone company called Flirty. They are very heavily involved in the food delivery sector, and they're also very involved with this pandemic. So if you're interested in this company, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. Before we start talking drones and food and pandemic, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to get to the video. I tell you what, I love this drone sector. There's so many up and coming companies. There truly are, and they're going to have a massive impact on our future moving forward. I mean, a big push was the pandemic. A lot of drones are going to be successful, and a great deal of push is going to happen because of this pandemic. So that right there speaks volumes to what we're going to be doing as far as technology moving forward in the future. Now, this company is making strides just like all these other ones. And so I want to bring them to the limelight because they are making advancements. They are figuring things out, and I think it's pretty cool. So many of you may think, what is Flirty? I'm here to tell you, swinging on over here. Flirty is an aerospace technology company that provides full stack drone delivery technology solutions. Flirty is the pioneer of commercial drone delivery industry with a mission to save lives and improve lifestyles by making delivery instant for everyone. The company first made history in 2015 when it conducted the first ever FAA approved drone delivery. In the years that followed, Flirty has gone on to become the first company to perform an autonomous drone delivery to a home, the first company to perform a commercial drone delivery, and the first company to pioneer AED drone delivery in the US. Flirty has worked alongside NASA, the City of Reno, Johns Hopkins University of Medicine, Emergency Medical Services Provider, REMSA, and various commercial partners to create the fastest, most efficient, and customer-centric logistics technology in the world. And if you're interested, go to their website, www.flirty.com. One of the biggest reasons why I really wanted to provide information on this company is because they are kind of in the forefront. They are one of the companies to be doing some things successful, and now they're starting to progress and take steps even further into the future based on those previous steps. Now, obviously, there's tons of companies out there that are doing the same. But when you got a company that is getting patents after patents after patents on different items, those are the companies that are going to start making tremendous strides because they're obviously seeing what works. They're getting patents on things that work, and whether it is the drone, maybe it's the technology, maybe it's just a part that goes onto the drone, maybe it's whatever the assembly may be, there's patents that are involved with this. And that's actually going to be the next piece that I talk about, because one of the patents that they received is for a very safe drone delivery. So swinging over here, the patent that I just talked about covers a combination of hardware and software to deliver packages, covering lifting up packages, holding them securely, and lowering them at the point of delivery. Contents are delivered by lowering a tether while the drone is suspended in the air. Once a package is delivered, the tether is retracted. Flirty's patent describes a drone with a suspension mechanism used to hold the package that is to be delivered and picked up, a locking mechanism to hold and release the package, and a mechanism to deliver the package. Matthew Sweeney, founder and CEO of Flirty, said, "We are thrilled that the United States Patent and Trademark Office has granted Flirty another patent that is a fundamental to safe, precise drone delivery. This is not a pie in the sky. This is a foundation of safe delivery and or pickup of packages from the sky." So as you can see, one of the biggest concerns, and I've talked about this numerous times when I talk about drone companies, is their push for safety. And the reason is because you're talking about a future of autonomous drones delivering all kinds of packages, all in an array of different items. And so you want it to be as safe as possible. And that's where the FAA really starts to have a hand in this, is to create the safety aspect. So you have the FAA, and then you have companies that are having to abide by that. It makes sense, and that's where safety is going to be very important. So this next patent was actually completed in the month of July, and it's going to be very significant again for the safety aspect. And I think that's the reason why I want to hit on this so much, and why this company, in my opinion, stuck out. And the reason is because of how much they're focusing on safety, and when that happens, they're then getting patents on that safety aspect. So swinging on over here, Flirty, the pioneer of commercial drone delivery industry, announced today it has been granted a new patent critical to safety of drone delivery. This granted patent describes safety-enhancing technologies such as landing a drone safely in the event of a failure by using a parachute and steering the drone towards a safe location. That's pretty interesting. This is the third patent in the critical area of drone delivery safety the United States Patent and Trademark Office has issued Flirty in 2020. So that right there is very, very important. I mean, they're knocking them out left and right, and that's just a huge bonus for this company. We are thrilled that the United States Patent and Trademark Office has granted Flirty another patent that is vital to the safety of drone delivery, said Matthew Sweeney, Flirty founder and CEO. And we are excited that this new patent comes in the time to celebrate the July 17, 2020 5-year anniversary of the Kitty Hawk moment when Flirty made the first drone delivery in America, and at the time when Flirty continues to pioneer the commercial delivery industry. So as you can see, this company truly is in the forefront. I mean, they are one of the pioneers, one of the very first to do these things. And so, as they've continued to learn and grow and progress, they're only getting better and better, and they know what's starting to become more important. They know what's starting to become more vital, and they're really starting to capitalize on that. Flirty is announcing this new granted patent. It celebrates the 5th anniversary of the Kitty Hawk moment when Flirty conducted the first drone delivery on U.S. soil in Wise County, Virginia on July 17, 2015. The Smithsonian Institution's Air and Space magazine recorded the historic milestone. It had the FAA's blessing to fly, and that made the first official drone package delivery in this country. The Flirty delivery drone that achieved this first delivery will go on display in the Thomas W. Haas We All Fly gallery at the Smithsonian National Air and Space Museum. The museum also displays the Wright brothers' Wright Flyer that made the first official flight of powered, heavier-than-air flying machine. So that's absolutely amazing information. That's absolutely amazing for this company. And now it's just to continue to take strides. I like what this company is doing. I really do. I think it's going to be very, very significant. And when you have, companies that are players like this, big time companies want to look at these and be like, hey, they have been successful in this field. They kind of know what they're doing, especially when they're the pioneer and the engineer of one of the first to do the package delivery. So those are the things you want to look for. Now, this final piece of information revolves around the pandemic, and that's going to be an ever-evolving thing, like I stated in the very beginning. Companies like this, especially in the drone sector, are going to be able to capitalize on this pandemic, and rightfully so. Flirty is definitely doing that. So swinging on over here, Flirty, the pioneer of commercial drone delivery industry, and Vault Health, the pioneer of supervised pandemic testing, today announced a partnership to test drone delivery for the first FDA-authorized saliva test. Now, that's actually big-time news. I mean, it truly is, especially with, revolving around the pandemic. We're trying to get tests out. We're trying to get more testing, to people, and that's just going to help understand more and more about what's going on with this thing. So continuing on, Vault Health distributes a pandemic saliva test kit that can be used at home under supervision from health professional through a video call. Using Flirty's drone to deliver the test kits at home will eliminate exposure risk and create further convenience, especially for those who do not live in the proximity to on-site testing locations. Right there, exactly what I was talking about. The Vault Health pandemic test kits have been added to Flirty's existing drone delivery test program underway in Reno, Nevada area. Through the partnership, which will begin immediately, Vault Health will send kits to distribution centers based on historical market demand data. When a customer places an order, a Flirty drone will deliver the pandemic test kit to the customer's home on demand. Our mission is to save lives and improve lifestyle by making delivery instant for everyone. Partnering with Vault Health for Flirty drone delivery of pandemic test kits is another huge step towards our mission. Drone delivery of pandemic test kits is faster than traditional mail, enabling faster results for the customer and reducing the time where a person may have the potential to spread COVID-19 by 24 to 48 hours, said Flirty founder and CEO Matthew Sweeney. So as we can see the benefits and really the progression at which we're headed. Obviously, a lot of people were, required to get out, go do their test, see what happens. But now, if you feel you have it and you're experiencing some symptoms, things like that, you can resort to this as an option in that location, in that area, in Reno, Nevada. So obviously you can see that these things are being tested. It is actually very vital, especially if we continue to move forward and we have something similar to this down the road. That drones are going to be able to accomplish the task at hand. I love it. I appreciate you swinging by and checking out this video on Flirty. It's going to be an absolutely amazing future for this company. I'm excited to see where it goes. And really, truthfully, in all honesty, I am 100% excited to see what this thing can accomplish. It's going to be cool. I do want to remind you, I am not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only, and that's exactly what I'm here to do. And you guys know exactly how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.